10 things FSM citizens need to know about our rights in the US. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Kamo Rale. Today we'll be talking about something very important to our migration communities here in the United States. Question number 6. Misconceptions about FSM citizens residency. Alright, here is one we hear a lot. Some people think FSM citizens are required to go through the same immigration processes as everyone else, but that's wrong. Our status is completely unique. Another misconception, some people think FSM citizens can be easily deported because we are considered foreigners. Nope, our rights are backed by international agreement. Question number 7. Could broader U.S. policies affect FSM citizens? While the COVA agreement protects our unique status, other federal policies like changes to healthcare or employment laws could potentially affect us. It's super important to stay informed, follow FSM Embassy updates, and reach out if you have questions about possible changes. Question number 8. Protecting our lawful status. Okay, this part is crucial. To safeguard our lawful status here, keep important documents like our passport and I-94 with us at all times. These prove our residency rights under COVA. And if something comes up, do not hesitate. Contact your local FSM embassy or consulate for help. Question number 9. Where to go for help? Speaking of help, if you're facing challenges or even have questions, the FSM Embassy and its consulate are here for you. They're located in Washington, D.C., Guam, Honolulu, and Portland. These offices can provide guidance and support whenever you need it. Question number 10. Role of embassies and consulates. This ties into the last point. FSM embassies and consulates play a huge role in making sure you're protected and supported. Whether it's clearing up misunderstandings about your status or giving advice, they've got your back. You're not alone in this. Okay, there you have it. The top 10 things every FSM citizen should know about your rights under the Compact of Free Association. Remember, your legal status is secure. The FSM Embassy and Consulate support system is always there for you. If you're feeling uncertain, just reach out to them or stay updated through their official channels. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up, give it a thumbs up or share it with others in the FSM communities. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more important info like this. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you next time. Kalangan, Kamakar, Griso Chabur, and Gulo na Mawala. Bye for now. For more updates, visit the nearest FSM Embassy or Consulate or check the links below for websites, email, and social media handles. Thank you.